traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 24th of November 2020 and currently time is 9:50 AM. Now coming on to our today's trade, traders, you can see that we have taken a trade in Bajaj Auto. We have entered 1 minute ago and you can see that price is trying to go towards our target, and this is our target, traders, and here is our stop loss. So it's now going on. So now let me explain you the setup. So let me open chart of day time frame. Okay, so here it is. So traders, here you can see this is a candlestick of 23 November, that was of tomorrow. You can see, traders, let me zoom it some more. Okay, so here you can see it was a complete bullish candle, traders, you can see. So what I did here, traders, I marked this high with some points above it. That was here with a horizontal line, so it was acting as a resistance. Okay, traders, so I placed order at this resistance. Let me open 1 minute time frame. Okay, so you can see when it came towards this resistance, which was high of yesterday, I entered into the trade. Okay, traders, so now what we are trying to do is that we will book profit below some points of R2. That is the next resistance. So here it is. So we have placed our target order for here. Now coming on to our stop loss. So traders, what I have did is to maintain 1:1 risk reward ratio. I have placed my stop loss order below this swing low, or at the point from where this momentum came. So here is our stop loss, and in this our risk reward is also, traders, 1:1. It is now trying to go towards our target, and we will wait to see what happens. So traders, when it will hit our target or stop loss, I will update you. So traders, you can see it has gained a good momentum and coming towards our target. Let's see if it hits our target this much quick or not. You can see, traders, we have taken trade at 9:46 AM and now it's 9:53 AM. We have not even there is not 10 minutes and we are about to complete our trade. It is now going to hit our target. Okay, traders, our order has been not yet executed, but it went towards our target. Let's see. Our target got survived, so no problem in that also, traders. We will wait some more. Okay, traders, so here you can see first it tried to went towards our target, but our target order was not executed, but now has been executed, you can see. So we have booked our profit today, traders, and we have completed our trade in only 10 minutes, you can see. Now it's 9:56 AM. So we are done for today, traders, as we only take one trade a day. So we have completed our trade, traders. So now let us calculate our today's total profit. So traders, you can see I am learning day by day, and I hope you are also learning with me, and soon we will be becoming a successful trader. Since I cannot risk my money in the real market at right now, so I am practicing paper trade. So soon we will be doing real trade in the real market, but also we are doing trade in real market. but let's calculate our today's profit. So our target points are 29.20 and our quantities were 3 by maintaining our risk appetite. So our today's total profit today is traders 87.6 rupees. So traders, I have already explained you the setup which I have used for this trade and we have booked our profit. So if you are having any kind of doubt, you can please ask me in the comment section. I will reply you. So this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.